Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Throne and Liberty error 1008 unable to purchase Lucent. First step is to check payment method and funds. Ensure your payment method is valid, has sufficient funds, and matches the region set in your game account. Second step is to disable any VPN or proxy. Turn off any VPNs or proxies as they can interfere with payment verification. Third step is to restart game and launcher. Close both the game and its launcher like Steam or Epic Games and restart it. Try to purchase again. Lastly, check server status. Visit the official Throne and Liberty website or social channels to see if there's any maintenance or outage affecting transactions. And that's basically it.